About the weather, when can we maybe expect some relief from this heat?
I would say probably sometime around Wednesday or Thursday, but it's going to be a small amount of relief. It's not going to be a lot. It'll be a few degrees from where we are today, which, by the way, was 104. That was the official high here in the city, which is 12 degrees above the average, 92. That's where we should be in early to middle June time frame. And notice that 104 reading tied the 1942 record, long-standing record, by the way. 104. It was a very hot day. We did not beat the record, but we got very, very close. Now, it's still hot out there right now at 10:15 at night, 10:18, I should say. 94 at Hondo, 92 at Del Rio, 91 at Eagle Pass. It's well past sunset, and we're looking at 90s across the map. Really crazy, really crazy. 103, that feels like temperature at Pearsall down I-35, 92 at Del Rio. Those are the heat indices at this hour at night, and that's because and courtesy of just so much moisture in our air or humidity, and you know it's going to be like that for the next couple of days, which is why the Weather Service says, hey, an excessive heat warnings in effect for tomorrow from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So during the peak heating hours of the afternoon, San Antonio and South and Central Texas specifically, we're in a region where air temperature gets pretty high, and so does the humidity values because of the Gulf of Mexico. And what that's going to do is create very hot weather, hot heat index values, and not much relief is in the way for the next couple of days. Now look at this, from Texas to Oklahoma to Arkansas, Louisiana, and even western Mississippi, all underneath this heat wave. And air temperatures are going to be in the hundreds for quite a while, especially here in San Antonio and South Texas. So please, limit time outdoors, drink plenty of water, check on your neighbors, your friends, your family. Limit time outdoors just because of the heat. Air temperatures well above 100. It's not going to take much for your body for you to get exhausted. Heat exhaustion, excessive sweating, when you're feeling faint or dizzy, when you have a weak pulse, your pulse gets stronger with heat stroke symptoms and your body temperatures skyrocket. It goes up to 103 plus, a throbbing headache, and no sweating at that point. So please, again, limit time outdoors. Right now, humidity displaced near the coast. San Antonio kind of in the middle ground right now, and watch wind speeds. They stay from the south all day long tomorrow and not breezy. We're looking at 5 to 10 mile an hour winds at best, maybe a gust near 15 miles an hour, but still it's not going to offer any relief in tomorrow's heat. Look at that, 104 to 105 in San Antonio, 103 at Hondo, 106 in Floresville tomorrow, just staggering insane heat, 107 in Carrizo Springs and 108 over in Eagle Pass. So go to the pool tomorrow, cool yourself off. 105 tomorrow afternoon. The UV index will be up to extreme, a southerly wind at about 11, and sunrise will be at 6:33 tomorrow morning and sundown around 8:34 tomorrow night. And watch this. So midweek, this ridge actually moves east briefly, but it returns by about this time next weekend, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so it's hurricane season, the Atlantic Ocean. Good news, it's quiet. However, the reason for this is just so much dust in the air from the Atlantic to the Caribbean to the Gulf. And watch what happens. Dust moves in by Sunday night and sticks around for the next 7 days. So that's going to create hazy sunshine, lowered air quality, and just a lot of dust in the air for the next 7 days. All right, 7-day forecast, 105 tomorrow, 101 on Monday, some relief in the upper 90s, but still not much. As that high exits east, it'll provide some coastal showers on Wednesday, but only a 20% chance at that. Friday 100 and Saturday 102 here in San Antonio.